Guys, today we're going to be learning how to edit a single blog post's SEO settings. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Blog and go to Posts. Select the post you want to work on and click on the Edit button next to it. Now you should be taken to the blog post editor. Go to SEO on the left. Here you have four tabs. The first one is the Assistant tab. This tab guides you to follow certain tasks to optimize your post. It allows you to see which tasks you've completed and which ones you need to work on. Next, we have the Basics tab. This is where you can edit basic SEO, such as your post's title tag, meta description, and if you want to, the URL slug, etc. Moving on, we have the Advanced tab where you can set up your structured data markup, robots meta tag, and additional tags. And then we have the social share tab, where you can customize how your blog post appears when it's shared on social media. You can add things like an image or a cover image, and you can also edit your title as well as your description. So feel free to work on your blog post's SEO however you want to. And once you're done, don't forget to click on Publish for the changes to reflect on your live blog post as well. And that's it. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.